pizza! Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Paige.
And today we're making Detroit style pizza.
Okay, what is Detroit style pizza?
Detroit style pizza is the cheese goes all the way to the crust and is cooked in a steel pan.
Okay.
And the sauce also goes on top.
Okay, that's interesting.
Here's our ingredients.
612 grams of bread flour.
Check.
68 grams of semolina.
Yep.
What's semolina, by the way?
It's a special type of flour.
Okay. 476 grams of water.
Check.
What was in the water that made it so funky?
It was yeast.
5.2 grams of yeast.
Yep.
Very important. 13.6 grams of salt.
Check. And that's all. Now we need to mix it up.
What's that?
It's a Danish dough whisk.
Why are you doing that though?
So it gets all doughy.
Okay.
Now get the dough off the hook.
Make sure to wash your hands.
Yes. You want to knead the dough in a stand mixer for 3 minutes at the lowest speed. Mix on second speed for 2 minutes. Now you deboil it and put some olive oil in the bowl. Scraper will help.
Cover the bowl and let it rest for 30 minutes. The shower cap works great for covering the bowl.
30-minute trampoline break.
Let's go.
Now we stretch and fold the dough. First get your one hand with olive oil all over it, and then slowly bring it up and fold it over. Now do that again. Now cover it again and wait another 30 minutes. Quad break.
Where did that net go?
It's on your ears.
It is around here.
Oh, hair gel.
Now separate the dough into 2 oil containers. Put the dough in the refrigerator for 24 hours to 72. The dough was rising in the fridge for 3 days. And this is what it ends up looking like.
I got a bubble.
And these are the special pans that you can use that you need to put some olive oil in. Then you rub the oil all around the sides and on the bottom. Detroit style pizza got its name because they used to use these types of pans in cars and oil pans, but then they started using them for pizza. But of course they cleaned them out first. Slowly press it all out to the edges.
That's me, I first popped the bubbles.
And it's okay if it doesn't make all the way to the edges, since we'll let it rest. Now let it rest for half an hour.
Otherwise known as 30 minutes. Nobody wants a flat pizza. Don't pop the bubbles.
So you don't pop any of the bubbles, because you do not want a flat pizza. Now you cover it and let it rise for 2 to 3 hours.
And wash your hands when you're done.
It has rested for 3 hours, and now we're gonna par bake it for 5 minutes in an oven at 450 degrees.
And this is the part where you need an adult's help.
Bake for 450 degrees. Par bake means to bake ahead of time to make sure your dough's not raw. This is what the dough looks like after it is par baked. You can still see it looks a bit raw or uncooked. Now the pizza's been par baked, and now we have Monterey Jack and mozzarella cheese. So you can either put all cheese on and then pepperoni, or pepperoni then cheese and then sauce, or you can bake it and then put the sauce on, or you can bake it with the sauce. The sauce has to go last though. So let's start putting our cheese or pepperoni on. You want the cheese to touch the edge since it gets cheesy on the side. So now you put the pepperoni on. Add the sauce. You can do it any way you want. You can do it diagonal or up and down.
Be creative.
Side to side, or just drizzle it on. Now you bake for 10 minutes at the same degrees, and make sure to have a parent's help. Now you will add some Parmesan cheese with this grater. Now you add oregano leaves to your pizza. So now he is cutting the edges so it will come out when you put it on a cutting board. So it will be easier.
Hey, I'm ready. Sorry, you eat.
Now we cut it with the pizza cutter. Again, have a parent do it. Now done cutting, and we can eat the pizza now.
How would you rate it on out of 10 stars?
10. 11.
That's not possible.
That's good.
Okay, it's better than I thought it would be.
I give it a 11 out of 10.
10 out of 10 is good.
Even do pizzas.